Welcome to Change Maths for Graduates. Today we are going to derive one-dimensional heat equation. Before we get into the derivation, we must know the physics of the problem. We must have basic knowledge of heat conduction. So let's start. Fact number 1. Heat quantity inside a body of mass m is given by Q equals to ms delta T. Here m is mass, S is specific heat of the body, and delta T is change in temperature. And fact number 2 is the amount of heat flowing normally to the surface in time t is Q equals to minus Ka del U over del X into T. Here K is thermal conductivity of the body, A is cross section area, del U over del X is temperature gradient, and T is time. Here minus sign denotes heat flows in direction of decreasing temperature. Okay, now all the preparation are done. Now let's derive heat equation. Now suppose we have a uniform rod of length L and of cross section area A. Okay, and let thermal conductivity of this rod is capital K. Okay, now let uxt be the temperature at any instant and at any point. Okay, now suppose heat is flowing through this rod by conduction, and consider some small element PQ. This is a small element PQ. Suppose length of this element is delta X. Okay, now suppose distance of point P from this end is X. Okay, and distance of point Q will be X plus del X. Okay, now if heat Q1 is being transferred through this side of the element and in time delta T, then that heat quantity Q1 will be, it is given by using fact second, it will be minus Ka del U over del X. Del U over del X is what? It is temperature gradient, and temperature gradient at point P, and for point P it will be at point X. Okay, into in time delta T. Okay, and if Q2 be the heat energy leaving this element through this phase, then it will be Q2 will be minus Ka del U over del X, temperature gradient at point Q, and point Q is X plus del X into time, and time is delta T. Okay, then total energy retained inside this element will be, then total energy retained inside element PQ, it will be Q1 minus Q2. Okay, now putting the value of Q1 and Q2, so on putting we have minus Ka del U over del X at point X into del T plus Ka del U over del X at point X plus del X into del T, and this is heat energy. Suppose this is small q. Okay, now taking common Ka delta T, so on taking common we have Ka delta T, and inside bracket we have del U over del X at point X plus del X minus del U over del X at point X. Okay, and in LHS we have a small q, and here a small q is heat energy inside the element PQ, and using fact 1 it will be m S del U. Okay, and here m is mass of the element PQ, S is specific heat of rod, and del U is temperature difference, and this equals to Ka del T del U over del X at point X plus del X minus del U over del X at point X. Okay, now dividing del T both sides, so on dividing we have dividing del T, so now we are left with m s del U over del T, this equals to Ka, this del T cancels out, and in bracket we have del U over del X at point X plus del X minus del U over del X at point X. Okay, now let's find mass m of rod PQ. Okay, and we know that mass equals to density into volume. Okay, suppose density of rod is rho and volume of element PQ will be cross section area A into length of element PQ, and length of element PQ is del X. Okay, so this is small m. Okay, now putting the value of small m into this equation, so on putting we have rho A del X into S del U over del T, this equals to Ka, in bracket we have del U over del X at point X plus del X minus del U over del X at point X. Okay, so you can see this capital A cancels out. Okay, now dividing this equation with rho del X S. Okay, so on dividing we have in LHS we have del U over del T, this equals to K over rho S del U over del X at point X plus del X minus del U over del X at point X, and whole divided by del X. Okay, now if del T and del X will be very small, then del T will tend towards 0 and del X will tend towards 0. Okay, so for this condition this LHS will be, this will be by definition of differentiation, it will be del U over del T, and this equals to K over rho S, and by first principle this whole equation will be del square U over del X square. Okay, now this value is some positive constant, so replacing this constant with c square, so on replacing we have del U over del T equals to c square del square U over del X square. Okay, and this is our required heat equation. So this video ends here. If you have learned something valuable from this video, then sure support by subscribing channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.